Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're a first time viewer. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY deep conditioner. My hair is dry, it's in need of some moisture. It's been in this little puff for a few days and it's just tired, so keep watching. To start off, I'm splitting my hair in 4 sections to do my coconut pre-poo. The main reason I started to pre-poo my hair is because my hair just gets tangled, and when it gets tangled, it is a lot to deal with, and it makes me not want to wash it. But doing this pre-poo process, it just makes it a whole lot more easier, and I have a whole video explaining the pre-poo process and anything that you may want to know about it, so be sure to watch that video. But until then, you can just watch how much easier it is to deal with my hair after applying the coconut oil and water. If you have natural hair like me, then you know you can't do much to your hair without applying some water. I am just working the coconut into my hair and making sure that every strand is coated because I really need this to melt away every tangle. I just love the coconut oil pre-poo because, it just makes everything so much easier. No one wants to deal with tangled hair, and definitely not me. I like to start off finger detangling my hair because I can find the tangles and work them out. Anytime I start off with a brush or a comb or anything like that, I just feel like I'm kind of snagging the tangles and ripping them out, and versus when I'm using my fingers, I can just be a lot more patient with my hair. After I'm done with each section, I put it in twists to keep it out of the way. And now I'm continuing the pre-poo process across my whole head. I start off with water. I work the water in, put some coconut oil in, work that from roots to ends, add a little more to my ends because it's the driest part of my hair, and so on and so forth. Okay, so next we're gonna go on to deep conditioning. I've been dabbling in DIY hair treatments and things like that for the last few months, and I can say that I would much rather use baby food that's already mashed up than to use the real thing, because honey, I tried an avocado treatment and I had flakes in my hair. It took so much to get out, and no, never doing it again. Okay, so I'm going to be using mango spinach and apple baby food with the castor oil, a little honey, and then coconut oil to do this treatment. Mango clarifies hair and adds shine, but it's also humectant like honey, so it pulls moisture from the air. Adding apple as an ingredient in a hair mask thickens your hair, and it also has antioxidants in it, which means it increases circulation to the scalp, aiding in hair growth. There are many benefits for including spinach in your diet, but it also is good for your hair because it's rich in iron. Adding iron back into our bodies is particularly crucial for us women because during our menstrual cycle we lose a lot of iron and we don't always consume it back into our bodies. Of course, you should ingest spinach, but why not get to the root of the problem? You get it? I'll let the pre-poo sit for a little bit, and now I'm going to continue with the wash day process. 90% of the time I use shampoo. I typically use a moisturizing shampoo. I'm focusing on my roots, but I'm also going to bring it down to the rest of my hair because, the rest of your hair can get built up and is pretty dirty as well. Now to the fun part of me adding this treatment to my hair. Now, you could just put this treatment in an applicator bottle, but I always forget to do that, so I'm just going to be applying it straight to my hair. So if you see me get out of the frame, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to work it into my hair strands and make sure that I'm coating each strand. forgot to mention that I heated up the deep conditioning treatment just so that the coconut oil could break down and turn into a liquid and mix better with the ingredients. But adding heat to the deep conditioning process is especially crucial for people who have low porosity hair like me. It just means that product typically sits on your hair strands. It doesn't really penetrate it because you have tightly wound cuticles. So when you add heat, it allows the cuticles to open up so you can receive all of the benefits of the products that you're adding to your hair. So basically, me heating up my deep conditioner or treatment beforehand has those same benefits. I let the treatment sit in my hair for about 2 hours. This is my results. My hair is soft. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. No, like seriously, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.